All right, we've been working on this railroad hand car for a while, and it's finally time to get it out on the railroad tracks and actually give it a little test.